All right. We are going camping.
Yes.
And we're almost to make the turn off to head up to the mountain. And we got a accident in front of us. So, yep. We're just all in traffic here. As you can see, there's a bunch of cars back there. So after we get out of this traffic, we will head up to the mountain. But hopefully the guy or whoever crashed is going to be okay. Right. Here's our camp host.
Hey, camp host over here making some buttered bread. What are you guys making over there?
Give me my bacon.
Sausage and egg.
Hey, sausage and eggs. Sausage and eggs Friday.
Wait on my coffee.
Where is the sausage? Good morning, TT.
Good morning, TT. Is that TT? How'd you sleep last night, TT?
Oh,
So good. Look at
How'd you sleep, Wade?
Get that?
No.
Lady.
Marlo, do you want us to start making some eggs?
Having some coffee this morning. It rained last night.
Start making you some scrambled cheesy eggs?
Ooh,
I want scrambled
cheesy eggs.
Okay, how about I fix it and it don't look funny to me?
Bella, would you like a cup of coffee?
Yeah, sounds awesome.
Marlo?
Marlo, you want scrambled?
My backpack.
Hey, what are you doing? Odie, what are you doing? Here comes the man of the hour.
For breakfast.
Get Gat? What are we having for breakfast?
I don't know. It's bacon.
There's Scotland. Got our sausage and eggs going this morning. It's a full camper now. Skylar in there by himself. With Nora.
Man, eat first.
Love it? Let's go shower afternoon.
So when are you taking us rock crawling, Jan?
You can mess up.
Okay. Listen. Mimi's gonna work with you guys on the puzzle, okay? Here, give me the puzzle. Okay. So,
Raining a little bit.
would you guys like to put puzzles together? Okay.
Okay, now you have to draw.
For the captain.
That's right. Captain.
So, what is the game though?
Oh, the game's right over here.
The cat card.
Oh, okay, put it in your hand. I'm gonna do the taco cat. I'm gonna draw from you, Wade, okay? Let's see here. That is diffuser? Oh, it is your diffuser. I'm sorry, Wade. Oh, no. For yummy, huh? Nice. Okay, did you draw?
Rainy day.
It's a nice day for games, that's for sure.
Alright, I'm gonna steal one of your cards.
Lady, what are we about to do?
Fish.
Get, what are we about to do? Gonna catch some big fish, lady?
Yeah. Take them home. Dad.
We've caught one fish so far. Need about 20 more.
Wait, stop. Okay, let me get a picture for his mommy. Okay, wait, that hook's just hanging.
Goose, look at it.
Okay, let me get a picture for your mommy, Everett. Corley boys, for the win.
Hold it steady, just hold it steady. Do you feel it biting?
Oh, yeah, I got.
Here it goes.
It might be. I think you got one there, buddy.
Now I've got 3.
We do have 3.
Okay,
You're
reel it
absolutely
in.
correct, buddy.
Go, go, go.
Go, Bubba, go. Go, Bubba, go. Oh, Gecka. Yeah, buddy.
We got one. He's a swing blade.
Good job,
Can I put him
Brad.
in the bathroom? No, I can't one. He's blowing. Oh! That's a big one. That's a big one.
He's a flopper, isn't he? Oh, there you go. Oop.
That's a big one. He's got a fish.
See, he's really light colored compared to the others, isn't he?
Yeah.
Good job, Daddy. Go, Everett, go.
Darcy, where's Simeon?
Did you catch one?
He's right here.
Kendall, there. Oh,
Where'd he go?
We're over here. Okay, go, Everett. Go, Everett. Walk on this side of that line,
Walk on
Everett.
this side up. Oh. These guys love getting tangled up.
There you go. Hold it high up. Good job, Everett.
Good job, Bubba. Keep reeling. Stand up. Stand up. Reel. Whoa! Oh, he's a pretty one.
Can I hold him?
Nora.
It's just gonna go right over.
we have the whole party down here fishing.
Had to set up 2 lines already.
Where are you at? By that power bait over there?
Yeah, got straight up. Already 2 lines? Huh?
Get him.
Just hold him up there.
He's fast. Whoa.
Right next to Cameron.
Yay! Good job, boys.
Okay, just set yours on the ground. Just set yours on the ground.
Okay, here goes Odie.
Go, Odie, go. You're on video.
This one. This one. Other hand.
He's right-handed, Dad.
Oh, you all right, son?
Go, Odie, go! Go, Odie! Yay!
What's down there?
You got it, girl! Yay! She doesn't even see the fish yet. Look, Odie! You did it!
Catch you.
Whoa!
He's dancing. Will he get that
Touch it? Touch it! Touch it! Grab it and then I'll let her touch it.
Man, G-Pod of the year.
Okay.
Where?
You.
Touch it.
Yeah, touch it, Odie. Lovely.
Touch it!
Fish is going down. Old hook.
Helping Aunt Pam here.
And we got some steaks over here. And some potatoes cooking.
Get the truck. Get the truck.
Dinner crew. Grandma would be proud. Frying fish for Papa's probably gonna eat it all, but Grandma would be proud. Eating in the mountain.
This year's nickname for Odie? Chex Mix.
Chex Mix.
No, it's check.
Baby Chex.
Little baby Chex Mix.
Bye-bye, check.
Okay. Rachel, are you an animal?
Parts of the animal.
Amber, are you a thing?
Parts of the thing.
Be something.
Psychiatrist. You were close. Okay, Sunny.
Me.
What's your favorite food? Oh. Hey, sit down, son.
That's what I was gonna say. Oh, see? Anything, son, anything.
Your grandpa, right?
Nintendo's trying to build it.
You're good, Bubba. You're aware, I see you.
Yeah, Bella has spotlight over here.
Oh, that one she pulled out last night. Yeah, I saw her with it last night. Right before I went to
What
bed.
you been drinking, young man?
For real.
Me if I was a cop.
Just like instantly blinded. Yeah, instantly blinded. Can't drive your car. Man.
Turns off this camera.
Five. Look. Look at the turtle. He has a little face. It's a smiley face. Look at the camera. 1, 2, and then 3. Whoa. Look, where did you get that from?
Guys have anything to say?
And here's a smiley face.